In working with Windows 8, many things have actually been changed, and now you can't shut down your computer the way you look at it to be in Windows 7. And those who are new to Windows 8, those who are actually new into computing won't have problem with it, because all they have to do is actually to learn it. Now, you go back to your settings. Like you see, I taught you how to actually go here, so it shouldn't be new to you now. So you come down to your right and then you click on settings. Here you can actually shut it down. Now when you click on this restart, you close all applications, turn off the PC, and then the PC turns on again. Now if you click on shutdown, all applications are actually turned off and the PC turns off, will not come up again. Now sleep, what happens in sleep is that it kind of turn off the PC, but what, you can still wake it up and come back to what you were doing before. Now what happens in that, you can read this yourself and see what it does. Now what happens to sleep is this. Now how do you sleep? Whenever you sleep, you discover that you can actually, the person is still alive, it's not dead, or what, it's just that it can't actually act, it's not active at the moment, it's resting. So there is still power in the house, or what, the power is not being used for extra activities. That is why when your PC is put on sleep mode, you begin to see a light begin to blink on your PC, begin to blink. That means the PC is still active. Some phones actually can be charged on that mode, but PC is actually, their sleeping mode is actually used for preserving power of your PC. More especially when what you want to do is just, okay, I'm coming back in the next 5 minutes, so what I have to do just to make my computer sleep. So I'm coming as fast as possible, so my computer has to sleep. But just one thing about sleep is this, is that your computer also have to be active, so that by the time your computer sleeps, you can actually say, now what I want to do is that my computer should always enter a password whenever it's waking up from sleep mode. Now also look at it, there's still another fourth one that you can't see, and that is what we call the hibernation. Hibernation is actually made in your PC so that what? So that you can actually go back to what you were doing before. Hibernation, we take it back to biology. If you did biology, now hibernation is kind of, okay, these things are no more available, now I want to do something new, or maybe I have something to submit to my client and I have to leave my PC automatically as fast as possible. What I just have to do is to hibernate my PC. When I get there, I put it on again, go back to what I was doing and continue. I don't want the computer to work at all. Everything I have done should be saved. Computer should be turned off. Or what? All my documents that I was working on, I will still make them in the state at which I was working with them before. That is hibernation for you. Try it out on your PC and you will see it. Now, you discover that in Windows 8, hibernation is not here. How do I put on the hibernation? What do you do is to come here. Let me go there and show you. Now, you click on your power, your battery here, like you can see, your power indicator. Then, you click on power options, or power options. Then, you can come to any of these, any of them at all. If you're able to get here, then you can click on create or change user account. No, not this, not this. No, good. This is it here. Change settings that are currently unavailable. Are you seeing now? Choose the power settings that you want for your computer. The changes that you make to the settings on this page apply to all of your power plans. Now if you click on this now, this is hibernate. You can see shutdown options. You see now, if you want to learn more about them, you can click on this. Now you can see shutdown settings. Now you can see different shutdown that you are seeing. Turn on fast startup. That is, this helps your PC faster, as in faster after shutdown. Restart isn't affected. And you see sleep and others. So what we want to do is to click on this automatically. We can now, you can see it was faded before, but you can only do it once and for all. You can see it's no more there, except I just say cancel. Now I will click on hibernate, show in power menu. You can see, so that is the menu. You want to go and put it now, then you can save the settings. Now let's go back there. and see it now. Now let's come back to the power menu, which is this. So click on it. It's called is now hibernate. So you click on hibernate, all apps remains the way they are. They remains open. Shut down your computer, as in your computer will be turned off, or what? Everything is left the way it was. You understand? So that is the difference. You can see that Windows do not make mistake. When a snake hibernates, when the next rainy season comes up, what will happen? It becomes active again, and then it starts its reproduction. Do you get it now? That is all about hibernation. Very, very good. Very, very important. So we've learned a lot about power plant and others. I told you about what sleeps are. I told you about how you can do some things, but I want to show you another thing that you might not have seen, and this is what we call the Windows Mobility Center. Good. Now the Windows Mobility Center actually for some PCs have a kind of shortcut for it, most especially HP PCs. Now this is what it does. It shows you many things about your PC and others. Now you can click here. You can actually from here brighten it up. You see that it carries everything you need. You can turn up presentation, that is if you are making use of other things. Now connect display, maybe an external display like a projector and others. So you can click here automatically to come to settings. You can see it's a kind of shortcut to all of them. Here you can turn on to start presentation. You see, or you can click on this to come here to turn off. I am currently giving a presentation. When giving a presentation, your computer stays awake, system notifications are turned off, and the following settings are applied. I am giving a presentation. Turn off screensaver. Can you see now? You see, set the volume to what? Are you see? Show this background. Are you getting it now? So that is what it's all about. So you can try this on your own and see what it is. So that means you turn on presentation mode and all those things that I told you that I promised. It's like, okay, let's synchronizing on the internet and all that. Whatever you want to synchronize, you can get it here. So that's that. Now we can go to as many things as possible. Click here, you come back to your power, your volume settings and others. So we'll go back to that place, personalizing. That is for volume. That is our next topic we are going to work with. Do you get what I have taught so far? If you don't get many things I have taught, then go back, watch it again. You are going to understand it. Alright, we meet in the next topic, which is actually personalizing your volume and others, your sound settings. Good. So, meet you. Thank you.